there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the Zany Zoo suite, which is in the brand new Stampin' Up annual catalogue. You'll find it on page 46 and 47 of the catalogue. This is the stamp set. Super cute little images, and has fabulous dies as well to cut out these very cute little zoo animals. The card I've made today is just the side fold card, or a book fold card, whatever you want to call it, and I've used a similar image from one of the images in the catalogue. So this cute little tag right here, so I've done something sort of similar. I've used Pool Party as my base, and this very pretty paper here also is Pool Party, and it's part of the Subtles 6x6 Designer Series paper, which is also in the new annual catalogue. And then just a little bit of stamping here, and one of our new ribbons, one of our new colour ribbons, Lemon Lolly, and a little bit of Fresh Freesia blending in the background. So let's go ahead and get it made. I think we'll do our blending and colouring of our little turtle first. So pop that to one side and bring in a piece of a really pre-cut piece of thick basic white with the Stylish Shapes dies, one of the squares, and I've got another piece of thick basic white to stamp our little turtle. So let's go ahead and stamp that in Memento, and there's a die for this as well, so we'll just stamp that. Yep, and let's colour it with, I'm using two of the new cool colours actually, Bubble Bath and Lemon Lolly. I mean, I know my turtle probably shouldn't be a Lemon Lolly colour, but I really liked it against these colours, so why not? Though nothing too difficult about this. I'm just going in with my dark, and I'm just going to do little stripes just to give variation in the colour. That's the dark. I'm going to give them little dark legs as well, and there we go. And let's grab the light colour now, the light Lemon Lolly. So this is a replacement colour, I guess. We had a So Saffron. This is much prettier than the So Saffron, much prettier. Well, I think so anyway. And I'm just going to go over the dark again, just to give it that real definition of difference in the two shades. Dark there, dark there. I'm just going to come in with my dark around here. Just the back of his shell. Colour that in. Nothing, no real fancy shading. And then the light just for here. A really cute stamp set, and the Designer Series paper that goes with this, if you've I've showcased that in one of my other videos in this series. Some of the images on the Designer Series paper you can cut out using these dies, which that speaks to me. This is the bubble. These are our Bubble Bath blends, a new cool color, I should say. Loving Bubble Bath. Combination of the lighter than Fresh Freesia, lighter than Flirty Flamingo. Really a nice color. I recommend it if you are looking for a really pretty pink. I'm really liking it. Okay, so that's our little bit of colouring done with our adorable little turtle. I'm going to bring in Fresh Freesia now to do some blending on this piece, on the square cut. So this is one of the mini brushes, our mini blending brushes. I'm just kind of off on the scrap paper on the side here, just get it a bit, I don't want it too dark. Here we go. Starting off a little bit lighter, so that way we can build up the colour. And I've gone a little bit lighter on the first one I made, but you know, you do it to whatever colour you like. You know, it just depends. But you can probably go a little bit more around the outsides. There we go. That's okay. Sometimes you just have to stop, or just keep going with the blending. All right. Stamping now. There's the stamp set has the cute little notes as well. The little piano notes, the symbols. So let's stamp them down. I'm just using Memento Black and just randomly stamping that one. Here we go. That's that done. Now I'm going to grab in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and die cut our little turtle. So let's grab that next. Alright, so there's our little turtle die all cut out. Pop some dimensionals on the back there. And our little turtle goes straight in there. And oh, very cute. Now I've already gone ahead and stamped on Pool Party the sentiment, something great to celebrate you. It's a great sentiment. It's something great to celebrate you. Right, pop that there. That is not straight. That is now. I've also got some stamping on the inside, so let's go ahead and do that now, and then I will tell you. Actually, let's put the card together first and we'll do that last little bit of stamping. So I mentioned I'm using Pool Party cardstock, so it measures 11 inches by 4 1/4, and I've gone ahead and scored it at 4 1/2 and 5 1/2. So to make the card, all you're going to do is fold over it in half and then fold that one back. Okay, and then that gives you that sort of book fold or whatever you want to call it. And then I've got the two pieces of the designer series paper. They measure 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 by 4 and 3 and sorry, did I measure that one? 3 1/4 by 4, I think that one is. Yeah, I've put the all the dimensions in the description bar below. Let's go and pop those on, and then we'll do that last bit of stamping. That's the other side of this paper. So this designer series paper, the Subtles designer series paper, has all different spots, dots, hearts. It's not just one or two designs. It's really one of my favorite 6x6s in all the different subtles, brights, neutrals. It's really worth watching, worth looking out for. And I do use a lot of subtles, so it's great for me. Let's pop that on there. Now I just need to get my insert piece of thick Whisper White, and we need to secure that down. So pop it on that sort of inch piece there. Put your tape down here, and then just fold over, and then back, and then that's it made. That's really simple. So let me just get my piece of thick Whisper White and do some stamping on the inside. All right, so I've got our piece of thick Whisper White. I'm using Bubble Bath again, and all we're going to do now is just a little bit of stamping down the side there, and using the cute little image that has the hearts and the stars, just pretty little birthday images. I've gone a bit wider on this one, but I guess the more stamping you put on there, the more ink you put down, the less you have to write on the card. There's always that way of looking at it. And this one goes in now. Okay, straight inside here. think it's a nice, it's a different card. It's a fun fold, but it's a super easy fun fold to make. All right, so that will go on there now. Let's put our ribbon on. So I'm using, there's a three ribbon pack in here in the catalogue. Sorry, 3 ribbon pack, and one of them is Lemon Lolly, and I really like this Lemon Lolly against Pool Party. Now originally I had just put a bow on the corner there, but I thought it looked quite nice with the ribbon all the way around, and it just, I think it looks really pretty, ties into that, the colour of our little turtle, so why not? And I love ribbon and I've got lots of it, so why not? Why not indeed? So all I'm going to do is bring it underneath there, and then let's try and get it even. Yeah. You could do this before you adhere that middle fold in if you wanted to. I didn't get that ribbon quite as long as the last one, but that's okay. You get the idea, right? There we are. That's not too bad. What I did with my last one is I actually put a little bit of a tiny little drop of a glue dot just underneath that one to keep it from moving around, but I mean, you don't have to do that. Let's put this one on with some dimensionals. Last one more. And that's all there is to this card. It's a really easy card to make, but I think it looks super cute, and I really think that that Lemon Lolly ribbon just finishes it off. There you go. I think I'll have to redo that to make it a little bit bigger of the ribbon. Or maybe not, who knows, maybe someone won't mind a smaller ribbon. But that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. All of the products that I've listed in the description bar below, if you click on them, you'll be taken directly to my store. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.